National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marengo, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Fox Lake, Harvard, Marengo, Hampshire, Johnsburg, Lake Lure, Spring Grove, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, Pistakee Highlands, Prairie Grove, Richmond, Hebron and Bull Valley. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 41. This includes McHenry County College and McHenry County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Boston, Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Pecatonica, Durand, Capron, Timberlane, Garden Prairie, Caledonia, Sherland, Lake Somerset and Harrison. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rockcut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivet Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:38 p.m., National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wind Lake, Twin Lakes, Rochester, Wheatland, Genoa City, Walworth, Silver Lake, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Como, Waterford North, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, and Eagle Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following Lake, Browns Lake, Como, Waterford North, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, and Eagle Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.